In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to a Mixpanel project. We're going to walk through the full process clearly and simply, so you can invite someone to your organization and give them admin access to the right project. This is useful when you want another team member to help manage settings, users, or project-level responsibilities inside Mixpanel. To begin, log into Mixpanel and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there. Click that icon to open the settings area. This is where Mixpanel keeps the main administrative controls for your workspace, including organization and user management options. Once the settings menu opens, choose Settings and then click Organization Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage broader access across your Mixpanel organization, rather than just viewing data inside a single project. If you're responsible for user permissions, this is the area you'll be working in most often. From there, find and select Users and Teams. This section lets you review who already has access and manage roles for the people in your organization. On the right-hand side, click Invite Users. That will open the invitation flow for adding a new team member. Now enter the person's email address in the appropriate field. Make sure you use the correct work email so the invitation reaches the right person and they can join without confusion. After that, set their role so the owner level is admin. This is the key part because it determines the level of access they'll have once they accept the invitation. Next, select which projects they should be able to manage. This step matters because even if someone has a higher level role, you still want to make sure they're assigned only to the projects that are relevant to their work. Giving access thoughtfully helps keep administration organized and reduces the chance of accidental changes in the wrong project. Once everything looks correct, click Invite. Mixpanel will send the invitation and the new team member will be able to join with the admin permissions you assigned as long as they accept it. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to quickly review the email address, the admin role, and the selected projects one more time. A short check here can save time later if you need to correct permissions. And that's it, you've successfully added an admin team member to a Mixpanel project.